thanks to all of you for being here this morning. I've got two subjects that I thought I'd like to visit with you about before I take your questions. First of all, the Affordable Housing Commission has announced their awards for this year, and we continue to prioritize and try to find ways to increase access to housing, stabilize our neighborhoods, and promote living in the city. You all have your stuff all over my... So our Affordable Housing Commission is something that we don't talk about a lot, but it's a critically important agency to our city residents and to our city. In 2002, city voters approved a measure that created the Affordable Housing Trust Fund. And the idea was to put money aside, set money aside, to be invested and leveraged to help different organizations pay for affordable housing, rent, mortgage subsidies, and homeless services. So as you know, the city's budget has been and is tight, and the Affordable Housing Trust Fund was not fully funded during the years from 2011 until last year. And so we've made it a priority to fully fund this agency, and in this year's budget we have $5.5 million that we've budgeted. So I'm thrilled to announce that this commission has made over $5 million in grants and loans to various agencies this year, and those are available for you, but going to some very worthy causes. About $400,000 to Gateway 180, which is an emergency shelter, $300,000 to St. Patrick's Center, $200,000 to Doorways Housing Program, $80,000 to Peter and Paul Community Services, $65,000 to Arch City Defenders, and many more. There's a list of probably 30 agencies, but I just wanted to highlight a few of them for you. These dollars, and I think this is an important point, these dollars will help to leverage over $100 million in services because they fill the gap in many of these agencies. So we're happy to be able to do that. The second thing I want to visit with you about for just a minute today is that, as some of you know, we have been searching for a new health director. And we have very capable people who are serving in that role. But after the acting director left last summer, I think it was last July or August, it was important to me to try to appoint a medical doctor to that position. It's been 12 years since the city has had a doctor, a physician, serving as the director of health. So this morning, I'm really thrilled to announce that Dr. Fred Echols will join our health department on February the 19th. And Dr. Echols is here this morning. Now, he hasn't started yet, so give him a minute. But he currently works for St. Louis County's Public Health Department. Before that, he worked for the Illinois Department of Public Health. And before that, he was a physician in the Navy. He's someone with a proven background in practicing medicine, has expertise in public health, and a large amount of management experience and expertise. So I think he's a perfect fit to run our health department, and I look forward to working with you, Dr. Echols, and I certainly look forward to the experience and the expertise that Dr. Echols will bring to this position.